So I'm Randy Morgan. I'm a National Accounts Manager with 3M in the Industrial Mineral Products Division. Scotch-Guard Protector is designed to control the black streaks that are caused by algae on roofs.
So a shingle is a shingle. That's the way a lot of homeowners look at it. But when you really have something to offer that you really know will work, that's huge.
That brand, that name recognition, Scotch-Guard 3M plastered right there, people know it. People know what it stands for. They know it's for protection. They know it's for cleanliness. And that's really what we're pushing here.
Being able to literally walk outside somebody's house and say, Mrs. Jones, do you see that roof right there? You see those streaks? 60, 70 square roofs? I promise you, if you use this Atlas product, the Scotch-Guard 3M, you will never have those streaks again. We will outsell our competition 10 to 1 all day long.